Hello students, today in this video I am going to give you the answers to the specimen question paper ICSE English Language class 10, which is going to take place in a semester 1. Okay, so here you come. As you know, this is the paper is going to be of 40 marks, and 40 marks is divided into two. First question is for comprehension and second is for grammar. 20 plus 20. Okay, so come to the questions. First comprehension questions here starts from here. A. Here A is divided into 3 marks, and I'm giving the answer. The first answer is affection. Second one, the answer is 2. Third one, the answer is first one. Okay, so next from B to G, these are the questions of giving the short questions answer, but only the options are given, so the multiple choice question, so options from there, the best answer you need to choose, and each of the question carries 2 marks from B to G. So come here to see the correct answer. First one, B 1, then C 3, D 2, and E again 2, and come F, the answer is 1, then G, the answer is again 1. Okay, so next one H, this is the you had before writing summary, and here as the multiple choice of question, the marks of for choosing the summary is of 5 marks, and you need to choose accordingly what the question is asked, the best answer. So there are 3 options are given, so the best summary is here 2. So this has gone for your comprehension question answer. So I am coming to question 2, that is of grammar. Okay, question 2 is for grammar and of 20 marks follows. First one is fill in the blanks with the correct verb form. So options are given, so I am giving the answer. First one answer is thought. Second one, broken. Third, stood. Fourth, listened. Fifth, put here. Sixth, hush. 2. 7, to knock. Then 8, was. Okay, so next comes B, that is of fill in the blanks with the correct preposition. Okay, it also carries the 4 marks. So correct prepositions are, I am saying in the very first answer is at, second one is with, third one is on, fourth is through, 5 is to of, 6 is into, 7 is for, 8 is besides. Okay, so this has gone for your preposition. Now comes C. C is that joining of sentences without using and, but or so, that it had been given like the before one. It carries 4 marks. There are 4 questions. So correct answers I'm giving. First one, 1. Second one, 3. Third one, 2. Fourth one, 1. Okay, so this has gone for you, joining up sentences. Now D, you know, the transformation of sentences or do as directed or rewriting, and it carries 8 marks, so 8 questions are there. Okay, so first answer of 1 will be of 1. Okay, next 2 will be of 2. Okay, 3 will be 1. 4 will be 3. Okay, and 5 will be 2. Then 6 question number, you see here I need to say one thing. None of the options given it seems correct, because you know, according to the logic is the best answer, but you know here the only after tornado had been raging, so grammatically after had been, that means still it is going on, still that time it had been going on, then that time people are moved to safety, so it means when only after it's meant, so it should be like had raged. Okay, but here only while means during that tornado. It's not possible during the tornado had been going on, then people are moved to safety, that is the passive sense. But if you choose the after one, here the logic is here only after, but grammatically had raged it should be, but council hasn't given this type of sentences. But you know, in multiple choice of question we need to choose the best answer given, so take 3 as the answer. Okay, and next one, 6. There also one thing I need to say here, the instruction is given use lest, but you know, with the lest after the subject, the basic grammar is that the last word we need to write should after the subject, but council hasn't kept any sentence using should after the subject. Okay, and not only that, the first one it has given that, you see the question, that is the option lest may. So you know, may, the modal verb doesn't go with lest, so this has not been taken as the answer. And 2 and come to 3 to see whether it is given, there is lest, the word is not here, so that is not the answer could be taken. Only 2 we can take as the answers are given the multiple choices, so we need to choose the best one, so 2. But there is the confusion what I said. Okay, so come to the last one, last sentence, last question. The answer is 2. Okay, so these are the probable correct answer I said in this video, and in the next video I'll be explaining why these are the sentences, these are the choices I have told the correct one. Next video I'll be giving the explanation. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when I post the videos like this. Okay, bye for today.